Hey there, future passive income pro. Pat Flynn here, ready to show you how AI can be your secret weapon for making money while you sleep. Trust me, it's easier than you might think. First things first, let's talk about what AI can do for you. It's like having a super smart assistant that never sleeps. AI can help you create content, design graphics, and even interact with your audience. By leveraging AI tools, you can set up systems that work for you 24/7. So, are you ready to turn your computer into a money-making machine? Let's get started. Alright, now that you're pumped about using AI for passive income, let's talk about the foundation of your online empire, your website. Think of your website as your digital storefront. Platforms like WordPress make this super easy, even for beginners. Now, here's where AI really shines. Instead of spending hours creating content, you can use AI writing tools to generate blog posts, articles, and even product descriptions. Tools like DALL-E or Midjourney can create unique, attention-grabbing images based on your descriptions. This means you can have a visually stunning website without spending a dime on stock photos or hiring a designer. Now that your website is up and running, it's time to turn it into a money-making machine. This is where platforms like EO, Ezoic, and Mediavine come into play. Financial advisor, let's start with EO. This platform uses AI to optimize ad placements on your site. It constantly tests different ad positions, sizes, and types to find the perfect combination that maximizes your earnings without annoying your visitors. Mediavine is another fantastic option, especially if your site is growing quickly. Mediavine's technology ensures that ads are not only profitable, but also enhance the user experience on your site. While ads are a great start, consider diversifying your income streams with digital products or affiliate marketing campaigns. Section 4. Automating Facebook engagement. Now let's talk about supercharging your website traffic with the power of social media, specifically Facebook. Enter ManyChat, your new best friend in the world of Facebook engagement automation.
ManyChat is a powerful tool that uses AI to create and manage chatbots for your Facebook page.
The best part, once set up, they work 24/7, engaging with your audience even while you're sleeping.
Setting up ManyChat is easier than you might think. You start by creating flows, which are like conversation roadmaps for your chatbot.
You can use it to drive traffic to your website by setting up automated messages that share your latest blog posts or promotions. Section 5. Boosting traffic with consistent posting. Alright, we've got our website set up, we're monetizing with ads, and we've got our Facebook engagement automated. Now it's time to talk about the lifeblood of any successful online venture traffic.
First things first, you need to create a content calendar.
Now I know what you're thinking. Pat, that sounds like a lot of work. But here's where AI comes to the rescue again.
You can use AI writing tools to generate ideas for your posts.
There are AI-powered social media management tools that can analyze your audience's behavior and suggest the best times to post for maximum engagement. Section 6. Tracking success with Google Analytics. Now that we've got our passive income machine humming along, it's time to talk about how we can make it even better. Enter Google Analytics, your secret weapon for understanding and optimizing your website's performance.
Setting up Google Analytics is a breeze. You just need to create an account, get a tracking code, and add it to your website.
Google Analytics has AI-powered insights that can help you understand your data better. It can automatically detect unusual patterns in your traffic, suggest ways to improve your site's performance, and even predict future trends.
One of the most powerful features of Google Analytics is the ability to set up goals. The AI can then analyze your traffic to see what factors contribute to achieving these goals.